Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to jump straight into scanning. First, open the Google app or your camera and tap the lens icon. Allow camera permission if prompted, because Lens needs live view to analyze objects. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data for results that require web lookups. Once done, point the camera at the subject, text, product, or plant, and hold steady. Lens begins detecting shapes and text automatically. If you prefer, switch modes like translate or shopping before moving forward to tailor results to your goal. Now you'll refine what Lens looks for. Choose text, translate, shopping, or another mode at the bottom because each mode runs a different analysis. Point and wait for outlines or dots to appear, then tap a detected item to reveal actions like copy text, listen, search web, or compare prices. For long documents, drag to select paragraphs. For objects, tap suggestions to open product pages. Make sure to tap for higher resolution capture when needed, and adjust lighting or zoom to reduce recognition errors before finish by acting on what Lens found. Copy text to the clipboard, save a screenshot, or open a product link to buy. These steps complete the workflow. Once done, check history in the Google app to revisit past scans and results. This helps when you need to compare or retry. If Lens fails, clear the app cache and update Google or camera apps, then retry with steadier framing and brighter light, because most recognition issues come from blur or low illumination. Fix those, and Lens performs much better.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.